Question 12. So we have y equals cos of 9x cubed minus 7x. We want to take the derivative of this using the chain rule. Great. So our first step will be to identify the inner function g of x. In this case, it's just going to be this, 9x cubed minus 7x. Fantastic. What about our outside function? Well, this is f of g of x. We're interested in f of x for now. Right, so we're just going to visualize this as an x, and we have just cos of x as the outside function. Great. Now, what is g prime of x? G prime of x is just going to be, I can just bring down the 3 multiplied by the 9 and get 27x squared. Usually I take the prime of f of x first. Just want to switch things up a little bit right now in this example. So we have 27x squared minus 7, which is the derivative of negative 7x. And, okay, now we already know this, but we also need f prime of g of x. And to do that, I'm going to take the prime of f of x. And the derivative of cos of x is just negative sine x. But we don't want f prime of x, we want f prime of g of x. Right? So I'm just going to plug the g of x in here for the sine. Actually, I meant for the x, not the sine. Whoops. So f prime of g of x is equal to negative sine of 9x cubed minus 7x. Great. Now, we're basically done because f prime of g of x is just negative sine of 9x cubed minus 7x times g prime of x, which is 27x squared minus 7. And that's it.